far as the Saif Ali Khan case is concerned. The attack on the actor continues to clearly remain a mystery among the public due to the investigation and statements of the actor in the case. The Mumbai police are set to use facial recognition technology to solve the case. According to sources, the accused will undergo a facial recognition test followed by a skin test to strengthen the prosecution's case. Now, this process is crucial as initial fingerprints didn't match the suspect CCTV footage. But let's also tell you clearly from day one there has been politics playing out. The Congress has also raised doubts on the investigation and the attacker. Now, Congress Maharashtra president said the person seen in the CCTV footage and the person who's been arrested are different. He further asked the police to clarify on that particular issue. Listen to what Nana Patole said.
उस ऑब्जर्वेशन के आधार पर मैंने कहा था और मैंने गौर से भी देखा कि जो पुलिस ने आरोपी पकड़ा है उसमें और वो सीढ़ियों पे दिखने वाला आरोपी में फर्क है। जो आज जिसको पकड़ा गया उसके पिताजी ने भी जो कहा है कि मेरा बेटा उसमें था ही नहीं, मेरा बेटा तो कोई गांव में था, कुछ तो भी बताया उन्होंने। तो मुझे लगता है कि पुलिस ये बातें क्यों छुपा रही, असली गुनहगार को पुलिस सामने क्यों नहीं ला रही, क्यों मामले को दबाना चाहती है। पहले ही कोर्ट ने इनको कई बार फटकारा है। अक्षय सिंधे के प्रकरण में जिस तरह से फेक इनकाउंटर किया है ये कोर्ट ने साबित किया।
Cutting across to Shweta Verma, my colleague, who has been continuously tracking this development for us. Shweta, a very good morning to you. Now, sources indicating what has perhaps been a question ever since this investigation also came to the fore with that particular arrest and the CCTV footage that's clearly playing out on our screens at the moment. How are we looking at where things stand in this case? Because if at all anything, it seems more murkier. Politics also playing out, but it's the same point that is being raised here.
Well, a very good morning to you, Nivedna. That's right. In fact, Saif Ali Khan's stabbing case is getting more murkier and getting more mysterious. It's been day 9 and not only media, politicians, citizens, everybody is keen onto this case, and we see that how Mumbai police is doing one part of investigation, but again when it comes to the investigation several questions are also being raised. Having said that, we have seen yesterday, as per the latest development, Mumbai police is vouching for the facial recognition test. Now, why facial recognition test? This is again important to understand that amid the growing concerns, in fact the kind of allegations against Mumbai police over the person they have nabbed is the same person that has been seen in the CCTV footage or not, is he the accused or not? So there are so many questions, and to put an end to all these allegations and all these concerns, those which are coming to fore, Mumbai police would be taking this very crucial step that is called the epicells to the skin test, also known as FSR, that is facial recognition test. What happens in facial recognition test? The team of forensic examiners, they will do this kind of examination on the accused, and they would be also trying to understand that is the face structure, the shape of the eyes, the skin, everything matches with the person who has been grabbed from the CCTV footage. So, this plays a very vital role, and moreover, police also stated before the court that they are looking forward for the fact that the missing shoes are to be recovered and the facial recognition test is to be done.
Shweta, in fact, as you point that out, here is what gets murkier, right? The versions also. Yes, we've looked at the aspect of how the accused custody has been extended. Saif Ali Khan has recorded his statement. But why is it that it seems like a lot more loopholes in the investigation rather than getting answers to what really transpired that day? All right, seems like we're running into a technical issue with her audio line. We'll try connecting once again with my colleague Shweta. But that is the big update as far as the Saif Ali Khan case is concerned. Let's listen in once again to what Nana Patole said. By then, we'll try going back to my colleague Shweta.
उस ऑब्जर्वेशन के आधार पर मैंने कहा था और मैंने गौर से भी देखा कि जो पुलिस ने आरोपी पकड़ा है उसमें और वो सीढ़ियों पे दिखने वाला आरोपी में फर्क है। जो आज जिसको पकड़ा गया उसके पिताजी ने भी जो कहा है कि मेरा बेटा इसमें था ही नहीं, मेरा बेटा तो कोई कहते गाँव में था, कुछ तो भी बताया उन्होंने। तो मुझे लगता है कि पुलिस ये बातें क्यों छुपा रही, असली गुनहगार को पुलिस सामने क्यों नहीं ला रही, क्यों मामले को दबाना चाहती है। पहले ही कोर्ट ने इनको कई बार फटकारा है। अक्षय सिंधे के प्रकरण में जिस तरह से फेक इनकाउंटर किया है, ये कोर्ट ने साबित किया।
Shweta, coming back to you as far as this is concerned, what I was initially asking you is that a lot more, questions coming to the fore with the aspect of how the arrested person in this, the accused, that is, his custody has been extended. More importantly, we're looking at how Saif Ali Khan did record his statement as well. But something doesn't seem to be adding up, which clearly means there are far more loopholes than actually getting more answers to it, Shweta.
Well, that is right. In fact, while covering the case also, we have understood that there are certain discrepancies in the statement that has been given by Saif Ali Khan and Kareena Kapoor Khan. The kind of medical admission form was at Lilavati Hospital. There are again certain discrepancies what the team of doctors were saying, plus the medical written admission form, it states something else. And again, when it comes to disparities, there are certain things which we have been seeing that since day 9 of the investigation, still there are loopholes. There are even lapses which are to be considered. Point number one, from the security point of view at Saif Ali Khan's residence itself, and how did he manage to go inside? There are many crucial questions that are being posed at Mumbai Police, and Mumbai Police has also sought time from the court. They have got the police remand for 5 days of the accused. Now, the further investigation is underway. In fact, in the line of questioning, they will also try to establish that mere housebreak, only the robbery was the motive or not, was it something bigger than this, and how many people are involved in this. These are some of the basic but very crucial questions that Mumbai Police has to address while the accused is in their custody, and it will be important to see that on 29th.
I'll have to interject you there, Shweta, but thank you for keeping us ahead as far as this case is concerned. Let's shift our focus to big news.